If you love to travel and you love to run, there is no better way to discover a new place than on your feet. In this channel, I share my travels, my running adventure, but also give a lot of information about running training. So if you look forward to improve your endurance training and use your stamina to discover the world, then well, consider subscribing the channel and also give this video a thumbs up if you enjoy what you're watching. Recently, I visited Minorca for the first time, and as every time I go in a new place, I decided to discover it with a trail run. Minorca is an island located in the Mediterranean Sea, somewhere between Italy and mainland Spain. The Camí de Cavalls, which is Catalan for horse trail, is a 186 kilometer long trail that encircles the whole island. Some part of the trail can be reached by car, but there are long stretches that are not connected to the inland and also that is fairly difficult to explore by bike. There are many beaches and many cliffs that actually can be reached only by foot, either hiking or running along the Camí de Cavalls. Now, when I travel to new places, I don't like to read a lot about the places I'm visiting because I really like the adrenaline of discovering the unknown. So basically, in this case, I just checked out the information on the trail, just a little bit. Then I choose a long stretch on the southern coast of the island, which was supposed to be fairly remote. And then I uploaded the trail on my watch and I simply board the plane. Welcome to Menorca. I just arrived on the island yesterday night and I thought discovering the first stretch of the coast running. I just started off at sunrise and let's see where this trail will bring us.
What keeps you up at night, yeah? Make all the demons quiet, yeah. We were built to thrive, yeah. I think that we've all had enough.
Now it's a bit quiet. The ground is okay, but before it was very rocky, very technical, impossible to go fast. I also tumbled on the ground, but there are really nice views. It goes up and down, and when you are reaching the top of the reef, then you can really see down to the water and the beaches. So beautiful. I've done 5K. I am sweating quite a lot, and I'm happy that I carry a lot of water with me. So this morning I actually packed what was that? Apple juice, a little bit of apple juice in the bag with salt and some water, and yeah, let's see how that goes.
When you go out for a short run, let's say 1 hour, 1.5, you don't really need to do much. You sweat along the way, and when you are back home, you drink and it's fine. But in this case, I knew that the run would take anywhere between 2.5 to 5 hours if I would have stopped at the beach, and so I had to carry water with me to hydrate my body. I put water for hydration, apple juice just for some calories. It's very sugary, so it has a lot of carbs, and I put salt for electrolytes. In the sweat, there is a lot of sodium. That's why the sweat is pretty salty. And sodium is crucially important to retain water in the tissue. No sodium, no water in the tissue, no matter how much you drank. Consequently, I put salt in the drink just to replenish the sodium in my tissues.
I will decide on the way if I'm going to stop at the beach just for a break, or if I'm going to run all the way through.
Yeah, make all the demons quiet, yeah. We were built to thrive, yeah. I think that we've all had enough. Yeah, I think that we've all had enough.
And it goes uphill. really steep. Whoa. Whoa, so many steps, but hopefully almost there. So back to civilization here. I guess I have to go up to that cliff at a certain point. I don't see other way, either that or swimming. And here we have Cala Mitiana. Totally empty, so nice. Jump. Really don't like stairs, but here we are. I've done about half the way. I am very slow, it's like 7 minutes per kilometer, but my average heart rate is like I would run 520 per kilometer in the flat. So it makes a huge difference being here. I have been climbing about 250 meters so far, not that much, but nonetheless the pulse is up. Very technical. It's impossible to run here, it's already difficult to walk, which is a pity, it's downhill. Not sure if it is this way. Right, so I really think it is that way. I have to cross the water. There is no other way. Probably because of the rain in the past days, there is no path. So, well, I don't know how deep it is, but we will find out soon. It doesn't seem very shallow, it seems quite deep. So there we have the sea, and on this side here is the start of the river, and I think there is a good place to cross. So I have to keep my bag out of the water. Let's see if I manage that. So that water is really deep. There is no way that I can cross without swimming actually. So I'm going to put on my shoes. I will try to put my phone in a safe compartment, and then we swim over. Yeah, that's what we do. Because there is no way that I'm going to do all the way back I came from. All right, here we go. Yep, feet in water. I don't know, maybe I should try to keep my backpack out of water as much as I can. Oh. Okay, no way. It's really deep. Oh. But it's really refreshing. Okay, still deeper than I. Oh. Oh. Whew. Made it. All right, my shoes will be a little bit heavy on the rest part of the run, but it was quite fun. we have to cross again water, but this time I just don't care. It's really dirty, but my feet are anyway already wet. So, who cares? All right. A little break to enjoy this wonderful scenery here. So desolate and so just beautiful. But that's it. And now we continue. We have about 8-9 kilometers left, something like that. Most of the climbing is behind me, but still I have a few climbs. Oh, it's almost climbing. Almost there. Oh, it has been quite tough, the last part. It's a little bit warmer. I definitely feel my knees. Yeah, and here we are. Stop. Wow. Let me see a little bit of statistics here. So we have 24.14 kilometer, and that's the longest run I ever made. 2 hours 56 minutes, actually 57, at the pace of 720, which sounds ridiculous, but if you look at my average heart rate, 156, it means it wasn't easy at all. And we had a climb of 630 meters. All in all, really nice. Now I will relax here, eat some nuts, and wait that Caroline picks me up.